The Bach is back with new Reeboks, and stay tuned because we're gonna get some more Reeboks. I know we haven't had any sneaker unboxings, if you want to call this a sneaker unboxing, a shoe unboxing, a sandal unboxing, whatever. These are the Reebok Beatniks. I'm not sure if there's more to the name. Yeah, it just says Beatnik. So, but like I said, we haven't had a shoe unboxing or sneaker unboxing for a while now, and we're gonna be getting 3 in the upcoming weeks or whatever, whenever they roll out. I got 3 pairs of shoes in 1 week. I needed some running shoes. There's a crazy deal on these, and then there's a cool collaboration where I picked up a sneaker, and I'm gonna be unboxing that as well later down the road, and that is another Reebok. So if you like this, keep an eye out for that video later on. But actually, they might not come out in that order. So getting into this video, this is the Reebok Beatnik sandal. Like I mentioned, it's obviously a sandal. It's a little bit different. I'm not too big into sandals, and I had to get some sandals a while ago. And I was looking at these ones, and I was like, I really like them. But if you're familiar with the Beatnik, you'll know that comes with a pretty hefty price tag. I think retail on most of them is $120, and I was not going to pay that. I think on StockX, they usually go below retail. You can probably find them on a lot of websites below retail, well below that $120. But Reebok was having a crazy sale, and they had them for $50, I think, with markdowns, and then after that, you had to pay for, I think, just tax. It might have been free shipping if you're a member or something, but yeah, I got them for $50, which I think is reasonable. I haven't really rocked them too much, but I wouldn't pay $120 for them, definitely, for any sandals. So keep that in mind, and we're gonna open them up. I've already tried them on and like did some stuff, so we don't have a crazy unboxing like sometimes, but here they are. I really like how they look. They're really interesting silhouette, not too similar to any sandals you'll see. They kind of got the enclosed slipper look that the Croc has, but then they have the full open area on the ankle with that little support. So let me get the other one out and this box out of the way, and we'll continue talking about them. So there's a lot going on. These are very aggressive looking if you look at the bottom. I almost get like some Yeezy vibes with these. Very aggressive on the bottom. We got some interesting stuff going on the upper. This is a Cordura fabric. As you'll see, we have the little like Cordura tag right there, which Supreme, Palace, a lot of brands use for their bags. So it is a very strong fabric. You know, shouldn't be ripping or anything like that. And then we have Velcro straps for everything else that'll keep your foot in place. We have one going along the top of your foot, and then also underneath that one there's another Velcro strap here that kind of goes over the rest of your foot, like really wide. That one doesn't have too much variety, as you can see right here. You guys probably can't see it that well, but it's only a short piece of fabric that like overlaps, so you can't go too wide, but that makes sense. Like, this doesn't have too much room to kind of like stretch out, and why should it? Who's going to be wearing these that has like barrels for feet? But moving on to the strap in the back, I think this one's pretty cool. They have a ton of padding on the inside right here, because that's obviously going to be rubbing against your ankle a lot, especially if you're using these in the outdoors, which they're kind of intended for. Then, you know, you don't want this material to be kind of like chafing your ankle. So we have that nice padding there going on. This does have a long strap. You can do like a variety of it. So kind of looking at this, how is the fitting? You know, how far is your foot going to stick out the back? What should you go with? I went with true to size, and you guys will see me trying it on like now or else later in the video. And I think the sizing is pretty good. Like, I can't really complain. Some people were saying to size up, and I saw other people saying true to size, so I just went true to size, and it fits pretty perfectly. The one thing I am worried about with these though are my feet overheating, because this is just the Cordura fabric. Like, it doesn't have any ventilation or anything like that. Cordura is usually coated. I think the lining in here has like a coating, so it is waterproof, or it should be like very water resistant at the least. So my piggies might be cooking. They might be roasting on the inside, so TBD with how that goes. But if I remember, I'll keep you guys posted in the comment section. But apart from that, you know, just really like cool looking, dope colorway. I'm really like this like tan or beige or whatever you'd call it that I went with. And there are a ton of different colorways. You can get some like patterned straps as well on some of the colorways. So really cool. I'm really happy with these. The cushioning feels great. I mean, like, look how thick it is. Obviously, it's gonna feel awesome. So, really cool sandals. Like I said, I was hyped. I was trying to get them before, but they're just too expensive. And with the like over half off discount, I was like, I can't afford to pass them up. So, here we are, and I like them. I approve of them. Let me know what you guys think of them in the comments. As always, thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.